keep it simple and stupid today. No long soliloquies, just fishing. Here we go. A little catfish.
Catfish.
Finally. The drought is over. But it's a catfish, so don't stab yourself. What, you got another one? Let's see. Woo! Yeah, that's what I caught a few minutes ago. Little perch, is that what they are? A little white fish?
Silver perch.
Silver perch. All right, we just watched a guy on Redfish Island run off with about 17 or 18 mullet, and I've got something on here. And it's a skate, or a stingray. Oh, swell. All right, that's a problem. All right, you're gonna have to hold Lucy because I gotta go on shore to get rid of him. Ew. I got slimed. All right, quick summary. We caught 4 fish. I caught a perch, a skate, or a whatever it was. And the captain back here caught a catfish, and he also caught one of those perches. Perches. Purchase, not purchase, perches. Good day was had by all, no rain, nice sunny weather. We're happy. Good night.